Here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 6 Pro, and let me show you how to change a ringtone on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, find and select sound and vibration right here, and now just click on ringtone. Here you can come along with all ringtones, so just click on all ringtones. And now let's come along with all the options here, starting with acoustic guitar. Okay, so let me volume it up as it's silenced. So and that's it. So now you just have to pick the one that you would like to apply, for example Kung Fu, and it has been already changed to Kung Fu. So this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily change ringtone in your Xiaomi Redmi 6 Pro. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.